Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to exchange Perfect Money USD to PayPal USD. As you enter the main platform, select Perfect Money and PayPal, type in the desired amount for the exchange, and click on the exchange button to head to the next step. On the second step, you need to enter your PayPal account and your email address. Remember that adding your phone number is optional. However, there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. You can stay ahead of the latest deals and offers. Once again, click on the exchange button. On the first step, you have all the details regarding your transaction, how much you send and how much you receive, and the gateway fee. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on the exchange button one more time to head to the last step. Here you have details regarding your transaction, your order status, as well as our terms of service. Please dedicate some time to read the information carefully. You will also be able to obtain a track ID. Click on I agree to terms. You can read our terms of service by clicking on Terms and click on Pay Order. By doing so, you will be directed to Perfect Money Gateway in order to make the payment. When you make the payment, you will be redirected back to HiExchange. You can click on the Track Order button and by typing your track ID, you can see your order status. Here, for example, you can see that our order status is at pending. Our team will process your transaction and the order status will change shortly. As we can see, once again, by entering a track ID, the order status has changed into processing.